All right, here we go. We have a member in the chat that is looking for some guidance on support and resistance. They shared this chart and they want to know if they're on the right track, and I believe they are. They obviously know how to spot support, highs, lows, and just you creating this chart and sharing it with the chat, you are definitely on the right track and continue it. I'll just go through the same chart and kind of show you, break down the way I look at things. Here's the 1 month chart, Euro USD 1 month chart. We'll start off where he started off, right? So when you're on a 1 month chart or a higher time frame chart, you don't really want to go too far back. I mean, because for example, we're drawing off resistance here, support here, support here, right? We're going back all the way, this one right here, all the way back to 2008. This one here, 2001. All the way back here, I mean, it's 1985, and some of you guys weren't even a twinkle in your father's eye in 1985. Or dinosaurs were roaming the land here, and you can go all the way back to that time, But obviously, none of this is useful to you right now in taking a trade. In the Forex market, it's not like stocks where you're taking a position and you're waiting, holding it for years. Hold on, let's see. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here, this high here, if you're marking off highs over here, this high here is 5,000 fucking pips away. And this low here is still, 2,500 pips away, right? You're not going to be in the Forex market. You want to get in, take your pips and get the fuck out. You don't want to be waiting around for, years or thousands of pips. You want to take your little piece of the pie out every day or consistently, right? So 1 month, let's start over. Here we go. So if you go to the 1 month and you're looking at something like this, right click, reset the chart. Only focus on a small portion or, an area. Not the whole damn thing. Don't go all the way back to dinosaurs roaming the land. Just focus on an area. We're obviously in a downtrend right now on the 1 month chart. There we go. And the higher the time frame, you want to keep it really simple. You don't want to go through and mark off every single little area that you might feel there would be a reaction. So what I do, just keep it real simple. Mark off a high there. Mark off a low there. And anything else, I mean, even this high up there, it's 1,500 pips away. Okay? This low here is about 1,200 pips away. You're not going to be wanting to hold Forex. Again, in the Forex, you're not going to be wanting to hold trades for that long through all, even this trend line here is 500 pips away. So monthly chart, moving on. Monthly chart, keep it real simple. Mark something off. We're not anywhere close to any areas on the monthly chart right now. So you can go down to the weekly chart. But for me, I skip the weekly chart because basically it's just you zoom out a little bit and it's just the monthly chart. I'll go down to the daily chart, right? And here we are again. You don't want to be zoomed way out, right? Reset that chart. Focus on an area. Here we go. We got a high here. We got a high here. We got something here. We got something here. Real simple, not cluttered. You see what's up. You're not getting crazy with shit. You just, here we are. From the daily chart, I'll go down to the 4-hour chart. A little bit different here, right? Again, reset the chart. Focus on an area. We're obviously in an uptrend. Here we go. Now you can focus on some support and resistance areas. Here we're at a good support area. And if you want to mark out the resistance, here's some highs for resistance. Now, let me get this out there real quick. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I'm just teaching you how to draw on charts. So my advice to you would be not to take my advice. I'm just here to show you how to draw on charts, right? We're on the 4 hour. There's the disclaimer, anyways. There's the disclaimer. Got that out of the way. We're on the 4 hour. Let's drop down to the 30 minute. And things are getting a little, we see here bounce off of the support, off of the trend line, right? We see this high. It's pretty simple to see. Boom. Now, if we're looking for a trade, we might say to ourselves, since we've seen this bounce off of this support, off of this trend line, it's a good, high probability, possibly, if we see a break of this area after the bounce, we see a break of this area and possibly a retest, we might be looking for some upside. Okay, on the flip side, right? If we see a break of this trend line, a break of this support, that could become bearish and we might be looking for some downside. Now, for targets, you can look for lows or areas of interest, whatever you want to call it. So here's an area where I think that might get some action. Here's maybe another area. And then, of course, down here, whatever. For the upside, obviously, this one, you could go further. Here's another one here. Go back even further. Here's another one. But anyways, that's top-down analysis, the way I look at it. From the monthly chart all the way down to the 30-minute chart. I usually don't go back as far as the monthly chart or the weekly chart. But for this example, I just did what the member did on their chart. And I hope this helps. And if you have any more questions or anything, just let us know. We're here to help. We're not here to sell you anything. We're just here to, discuss charts and help each other out. Good luck.